These aren't cosplay claws, these are stunt Wolverine claws, built to take movie-level punishment while keeping everybody safe. Today, we'll see if they can survive a whole thing. See if they can survive a full stunt gauntlet, or if I'll be giving away my firstborn son to a random subscriber.
What?
Hit subscribe to claim custody. Okay, in this challenge, we're gonna see if these stunt claws are great for slashing, because that's an important part of any Wolverine movie. He's gotta be able to slash at the bad guys and really sell it without hurting the actors and without breaking the claws. 3, 2, 1, go. Are you okay? Nice. All right, Logan, did those claws survive? Let's see. All right, hey, they look good. Not a scratch, not a dent. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Why'd you guys freeze? All right, stab him. Okay, now we're gonna see if he can stick a superhero landing without breaking the claws. Ready, get set, go. Or maybe his leg. Okay, go. Are the claws okay? Let's see them. Yeah, those things are indestructible. All right, now we're gonna see if he can roll down the hill without those claws breaking. Are they good? Yeah! Okay, so far these claws are pretty awesome. They're taking all kinds of beatings and they keep on going. But we still have more tests to go. Now the watermelon test. That's one tough watermelon.
Hey, can we get my snake?
Now I want to see if these rubber claws can actually punch through metal. All right, Logan, give it a shot. Nope, not at all. Okay, now we're gonna try with the plastic claws. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Well, I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the way both of these claws turned out. They survived all the tests and nobody got hurt, which is exactly what we want from stunt claws. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the like button if you had as much fun as I did. See ya.